Nolagent here in the French Quarter of New Orleans at the Clover Grill. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Nolagent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our New Orleans Best Burger Search, we are sampling the best burger options in the New Orleans area. We're visiting the famous Clover Grill for our restaurant review video, which is one of the few remaining restaurants open 24 hours in New Orleans. The Clover Grill is noted for advertising they have the world's best hamburger and for cooking their delicious hamburgers under a hubcap. Clover Grill is located on the infamous Bourbon Street in New Orleans' famous French Quarter at 900 Bourbon Street. I have eaten here many times in the past, but it has been quite some time since my last visit. So, you're invited to eat with me some of New Orleans' famous food as first we feast on a cheeseburger option here. Our restaurant review videos will be exploring some of the best New Orleans restaurants, and this New Orleans food vlog will show you how we enjoy our New Orleans neighborhood restaurant experiences. So let's go ahead and head on inside here and check this place out. So you can see that it's not the largest space in here, however, it certainly is a classic diner environment. So you get lots of wonderful 50s style in here, along with all of those diner things you love to see in here, and especially check out all this delicious meat cooking here on their flat top. Now, I have seen them use a hubcap to cook the burgers in here in the past. This metal thing on top of the flat top right now doesn't look like a hubcap to me, but maybe it is. So let's go ahead and check out this menu now to decide what we're going to order today. So we have the daily breakfast special, 2 eggs any style, toast, bacon or sausage, and hash browns or grits. Our 24-hour breakfast, 2 eggs any style, served with toast, butter, and jelly substitute biscuit. We may not be pretty, but we think we are. Pork chop or chicken fried steak and eggs. Center cut pork chop or battered chicken fried steak with country gravy, 2 eggs, hash browns, or grits and toast. Pork chop or chicken fried steak alone. If you're not served in 5 minutes, relax. It may be another 5. This is not New York City. Build your own omelet. 3 egg omelet served with hash browns or grits and toast. Bacon, turkey, sausage, or ham, mushroom or jalapenos, tomatoes or onions, or chili, American cheddar, Swiss, or blue cheese. If you can be with the one you love, love us. Biscuits and gravy, large southern-style biscuit, split and smothered in sausage gravy. Clover waffle, served piping hot with butter and syrup. Side orders, bacon, sausage patties, hash browns, grits, toast, biscuit, egg, white gravy, sausage gravy. Clover jalapeno cheese balls, sweet potato waffle fries or french fries, tater tots, onion rings. Desserts, ask about the pie of the day. Keep both hands on the table, have character, don't be one. Next we have Build Your Own Burger, fresh handmade burger with our signature seasoning cooked under an American-made hubcap. Bacon, extra patty, chili, mushrooms, jalapenos, or egg, American cheddar, Swiss, or blue cheese. Our chili speaks for itself sooner or later. Breakfast burger, breakfast and lunch, why not have both? Burger, bacon, crispy hash browns, and an egg on top. If you were a good customer, you'd order more. Club sandwiches, special club, ham, turkey, Swiss, cheddar, and bacon. Turkey breast club, dancing in the aisles only. Please keep off the tables, no talking to yourself. Build your own sandwich, ham or turkey, hot or cold, fried egg, BLT, grilled chicken breast, chicken fried steak, grilled cheese, mushrooms, jalapenos, or egg, American cheddar, Swiss, or blue cheese. Clover weenie, quarter pound of pure beef pleasure, chili, onions, jalapenos, corn dog, jalapeno corn dog. Beverages, coffee, 1 free refill, hot tea or cocoa, Coke, Diet Coke, root beer, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, or iced tea, milk, orange juice, or bottled water, strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla milkshakes. Select members of our staff are available for private parties. No separate checks, credit cards, debit cards, and electronic payment only. $1 service charge for to-go orders. Here's my cheeseburger, and I did something I've never done before. I got a double meat cheeseburger. Oh, this thing's huge. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure I can bite into this thing. It is so very big. Ooh, this is not an easy cheeseburger to bite into. There is a lot of stuff going on here. They make really thick patties of meat on their burger here. 2 is probably too much. I don't think I would do this again. It's really hard biting into this gigantic, huge, big burger here. The 2 very thick patties of meat are just too tall. It is really challenging to bite into this thing. This is a monster burger. Now the meat is juicy, delicious, and considering how huge of a highly stacked burger this is, structural integrity is fantastic. I can't believe that everything hasn't fallen apart. So everything is holding together excellently and quite amazingly. I thought everything would be crumbling and falling apart. So however they put their burgers together, the meat is staying together fantastically. All the toppings are staying together. The bun is going above and beyond any sort of design specifications the bread could possibly have expected to endure here. So I am all the way impressed with the performance and how well this burger is doing. And plenty of juicy, delicious flavors with each and every bite. There are lots of amazing things going on with this burger, and I can't believe that I have been able to get through it as fast as I have. So this has certainly been a challenge eating this burger, and it has performed far beyond all expectations I had from first appearance. There it is, all the way down to the last bite. I did not think I could do that much. Now here we go with the fries, and they're kind of your basic Ore-Ida looking fries or the crinkle cut fries, so it's okay. Not my favorite style of fry, but they are perfectly fried on the outside, are crunchy and crispy, nice fluffy on the inside, so decent fries. They could maybe use a little Tony Satchery sprinkled on there to make it even better and spicier. Here we go with the last bite, and ooh, just like I totally destroyed this cheeseburger and fries, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this gigantic cheeseburger. While you're down there, make sure to check out the link to my Patreon account as I do it for tips, and I appreciate any help with that. So the bill arrived, and the total with tip was $28.64. So thanks so much to everybody at Clover Grill for a gigantic, huge, delicious cheeseburger. And I think I would not get the double beef burger ever again, as the single thick beef patty is more than enough. I'm super stuffed after eating that much of a thick burger. So unless you're really hungry, just stick with a single patty of meat. And thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent channel, especially to my Patreons. Now, if you would so kindly, go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would enjoy it, as it really would help me with that YouTube algorithm. And then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people.
NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.